What happens when technology turns against us? What happens when the promise of a brighter, more efficient future turns into a nightmare? This is the story of a Tesla robot that, in a shocking and unexpected incident, assaulted a designer at Tesla's Giga, Texas factory in Austin, Texas. The events unfolded in a seemingly ordinary setting. A computer programmer was diligently working, modifying software for robots tasked with cutting vehicle parts from freshly cast aluminum. The calm monotony of the production line was shattered when, out of nowhere, a rogue robot turned on the engineer. While 2 robots were disabled for maintenance, a third was accidentally left active. This active robot, designed to move aluminum vehicle parts, went rogue. It lashed out, sinking its hooks into the unsuspecting engineer, causing wounds to his back and arm. The aftermath was a trail of blood on the factory floor, a grisly testament to the rogue robot's attack. What was supposed to be a day of regular production turned into a scene of chaos and fear. The injured engineer suffered a severe wound on his left hand. Despite the severity, he survived the ordeal. Tesla, however, declined to comment on the incident. While this was the first reported incident of a robot-related injury at the Texas factory, it came against a backdrop of growing concerns. Reports suggest a culture of safety lapses at the facility, with injury reports to the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration revealing a high injury rate at Giga, Texas. Nearly 1 in 21 workers reported being injured last year, significantly higher than the median injury rate of 1 in 30 workers in the auto industry. Current and former Tesla workers have alleged that the company often compromises on safety for the sake of innovation, maintenance, and operations, thereby putting its employees at risk. Further evidence of this came in 2022 when a water-lowered in-liquid aluminum incident caused an explosion in the castings area, resulting in a sonic blast-like sound. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers that lurk within the promise of technology. It raises questions about the future of robotics in industry and the measures we need to take to ensure the safety of human workers. As we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do, we must also remember to prioritize the safety and well-being of those who work alongside them. Because when technology turns against us, the results can be devastating.